Let me explain. In a circle, there is a point in the center, middle of the circle, that is called the center. This line segment AO is the radius, OB is another radius, AB is a arc. Arc means the part of a circle. So this shaded portion, this blue portion is called the sector. That means the area between the arc and two radius is called the sector. And this whole circle, this is circle, okay? Now another point is, this is another center O. A and B are the 2 points on the circle. BO, OA are the radius. This is the central angle theta. Central angle हमेशा arc बनाता है. The arc makes an angle of theta at the center. Here is also theta I have taken. So this is called the arc. AB arc. AB arc ऐसे लिखा जाता है. This is the length of the arc. How to find the length of the arc if I know the central angle? Central angle क्या है? The arc makes particular angle. एक angle बनाते हैं center में, center के साथ. Okay, that is theta taken as. So there are two formulas to know today for 10th classes, class 10. This is theta. If it is known, we can find the area of the sector. This shaded portion is called the sector, and length of the arc, this portion is called the length of the arc. Area of the sector is very simple. Theta by 360 pi r square. Okay, theta by 360 pi r square, because pi r square is actually area of the whole circle. If I want particular portion of the circle, that is called sector. दो radius और arc के बीच में जो area है उसको sector बोलते हैं. So if theta is the given angle, theta by 360, because the whole angle, it is 360 degree. So theta by 360 pi r square. Pi r square means the whole circle. Whole circle का जो portion हम shaded करते हैं, we find the area of that by theta by 360 pi r. Pi value you have 22 by 7 pi value, और you can say 3.14 decimal और ये fraction में है. Okay, 3.14 and 22 by 7, and r is the radius. Suppose the radius is 10 centimeter each. Okay, radius is always equal all over the circle. So r 10 into 10 हो जाएगा. और theta क्या है? Theta is the central angle. And what does it mean? Central angle का meaning क्या है? जो एंगल ये आर्क बना रहा है और दो रेडियस के बीच में सेंटर में जो एंगल बन रहे हैं, दिस पोर्शन, दिस इज थीटा एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड सेंट्रल एंगल. सेंट्रल एंगल इज इंपॉर्टेंट टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द सेक्टर. नाउ लेंथ ऑफ द आर्क, ये आर्क की लंबाई कितनी होगी? सर्कल का पेरीमीटर हमें पता है. पेरीमीटर ऑफ ए सर्कल, पेरीमीटर ऑफ द सर्कल इज 2 पाई आर. नाउ इफ आई वांट पार्ट ऑफ द सर्कल, ओके, मेजर ऑफ ए बी, सो थीटा बाई 180 pi r. Okay, theta by 180. क्यों theta by 180 आ रहा है? Actually theta by 360 है 2 pi r. So 2 and 360 gets cancelled. It is theta by 360 2 pi r. So 2 and 360 gets cancelled. So theta by 180 degree. These both are degrees. Pi r, pi into r. Here also pi value is 3.14 or 22 by 7. And r is the length of the radius. Suppose the length of the radius is 12 centimeter, and theta. Okay, theta can vary from 1 degree to 359 degree. Okay, theta degree lie करता है more than 0 degree and less than 360 degree. Circle का 1/4. That means we will take theta as 90 degree. 90 degree means it will be 90 by 360. That will be 1/4 of a circle. This is 1/4 of a circle. 1/4 pi r square. Okay, 90. Quadrant बोलते हैं इसको, quadrant. 90 degree होने पे it is called quadrant. If it is half, 180, theta will be 180. 180 by 360 half हो जाएगा. Half of a circle, semi circle हो जाएगा. ठीक है. These are two formulas to know area of a sector, length of the arc. Okay. Segment भी आता है. Segment is this portion. Segment. This portion is called the segment. Segment, area of the segment. Segment. Area of the segment will be sector minus area of the triangle. Sector. This is the sector. Sector. Okay. Area of the segment. Segment ये है chord. Chord is there. Line segment. Chord और arc के बीच में this red portion is the segment. Area of the segment is एरिया ऑफ द सेक्टर, दिस इज द सेक्टर, सेक्टर अभी भी हमने सीखा, सेक्टर से ट्रायंगल को माइनस कर देंगे, विल गेट द एरिया ऑफ द सेगमेंट, तो ये सेगमेंट का एरिया आ जाएगा, सेक्टर थीटा बाई 360 पाई आर स्क्वायर माइनस एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल, ट्रायंगल का एरिया हमें हाफ बेस इंटू हाइट हो सकता है, और इफ इट इज इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल इट विल बी रूट 3/4 इंटू साइड स्क्वायर, ओके, ये सेम रहेगा, थीटा बाई 360 पाई आर स्क्वायर रहेगा, ओके। If the triangle is equilateral triangle, we will use this formula. If it is normal triangle, half base into height करेंगे. So this portion, let me tell you again, this portion is the segment. Arc और chord के बीच के एरिया को area of the segment बोलते हैं. Okay, thank you so much.